Introduction to the sugarcane production process in a factory. As the first light of morning settles over vast sugarcane fields, the journey of a single crystal of sugar quietly begins. Behind the familiar sweetness used in everyday life lies a long, carefully controlled process, one that connects soil, labor, and modern industrial technology within a closed production system. Scene 1. Sugarcane harvesting. In the fields, mature sugarcane is harvested at the optimal time to ensure maximum sugar content. Workers or specialized cutting machines cut the stalks close to the ground, removing dry leaves. Freshly cut cane is laid in neat rows, green stalks still holding traces of morning dew, an early sign of raw material quality. Scene 2. Gathering and loading. After cutting, the sugarcane is gathered and loaded onto transport vehicles. Whether by machinery or manual labor, the handling is done quickly, yet carefully, to minimize damage to the stalks and prevent loss of natural sugars. Scene 3. Transportation to the factory. Loaded trucks depart the fields, traveling from rural farmland toward the industrial processing plant. Timing is critical. Sugarcane must be processed as soon as possible after harvest to preserve sweetness and prevent degradation. Scene 4. Raw material receiving. At the factory, incoming sugarcane is weighed and recorded. Each delivery is logged for traceability before entering the processing line. This marks the transition from agricultural production to industrial refinement. Scene 5. Cleaning the cane. The sugarcane is conveyed through cleaning systems where water sprays, rotating drums, and vibrating screens remove soil, leaves, and foreign matter. This ensures the cane is clean before crushing begins. Scene 6. Chopping and preparation. Cleaned cane passes through chopping machines that cut it into smaller pieces. This increases surface area, allowing more efficient juice extraction during the crushing stage. Scene 7. Juice extraction. The chopped cane is fed into large roller mills. Under high pressure, juice is extracted while fibrous residue, known as bagasse, is separated. The juice flows onward, while the bagasse is collected for reuse as boiler fuel or industrial raw material. Scene 8. Primary filtration. Raw sugarcane juice is filtered to remove remaining fibers and coarse impurities. This step creates a more uniform liquid before further treatment. Scene 9. Juice clarification. The juice is heated and treated with controlled amounts of clarifying agents. Impurities coagulate and settle, leaving a clearer juice. The settled solids are removed, and only clarified juice proceeds. Scene 10. Evaporation and concentration. Clarified juice enters a multi-stage evaporation system. Under controlled temperature and pressure, water is gradually removed, increasing sugar concentration and transforming the juice into a thick syrup. Scene 11. Crystallization. The concentrated syrup is transferred to crystallization vessels. Controlled cooling and stirring encourage sugar crystals to form and grow evenly, marking the moment sugar becomes visible in solid form. Scene 12. Centrifugation. The mixture of sugar crystals and molasses is spun in high-speed centrifuges. Centrifugal force separates solid sugar crystals from liquid molasses. The resulting raw sugar is light brown, while molasses is collected for other uses. Scene 13. Drying. Raw sugar crystals are dried using warm air. This reduces moisture content, improves shelf stability, and prepares sugar for storage and packaging. Scene 14. Screening and grading. Dried sugar is screened and graded by crystal size. Particles that meet specifications continue to packaging, while off-size material is reprocessed. Scene 15. Packaging the final product. Finished sugar is automatically packed into bags or sacks at precise weights. Packaging is sealed securely and labeled with product and batch information. Scene 16. Storage and distribution. The packaged sugar is stored in dry, well-ventilated warehouses under controlled conditions. From here, it is ready for distribution to markets and consumers. From tall green cane growing under open skies to refined sugar crystals used in kitchens around the world, this production process represents a precise collaboration between agriculture, engineering, and quality control. It is not merely manufacturing, but a transformation of the land's natural energy into a sweetness that quietly supports daily life.